Shanghai?
5 mental breakdowns later. Typhoon in the Philippines, which was supposed to be our destination last night, got canceled. The hurricane is still hitting the Philippines, category 4. So today the flights are canceled as well. So hopefully we can get out tomorrow.
We're hopeful for tomorrow.
I mean, like, I was not expecting a China vacay whatsoever.
Should go whoop these kids in some soccer. Show them how it's done.
Trying to get through the day, honestly. I don't like unplanned information or like surprises. Not really my forte.
This is what I'm all about. I lap the unexpected, the spontaneous events.
I literally cried like 4 times today. Oh, and I'm wearing it. I keep getting stared at because obviously we did not look.
The part?
We look out of the blue, so I'm like wearing Jake's jacket to try and like cover up because I feel like I was getting stared at. Like I look like a sore thumb because I'm like blonde, tall. So is Jake, he's quite tall. And I think that what's difficult here is that like English is not that complicated. Like, sometimes break things down in subtitles, but the general population does not know how to speak English, which is cool, but we just weren't expecting that on this vacation. Like we just were like transferring through China and going to the Philippines where they're pretty like, so we hear they're pretty fluent in English, but yeah. So that's just been something to get adjusted to.
They're pretty here though.
Yeah, it's kind of like a shock because you think that it's winter, but yet there's greenery around. So just like flying in, it was weird to see so much greenery.
Yeah, I mean, it's still like 6-7 degrees out, so it's not too bad, but when you don't pack for that and you only bring one sweatshirt and one pair of pants, and your one pair of pants you didn't pack socks for, so you got a bit of a flood going.
This is literally like my only cold weather outfit, which is just packed for traveling, and now we're here for like 3 days.
Alright, so we are currently sitting in the hotel room. We're trying to figure out what to do. Shauna is randomly Googling stuff, just trying to see how far away Shanghai is from where we are. Types in the word Shanghai. And
we're going to Disney! I found on Instagram that they had Shanghai Disneyland, and that my face was literally like, babe!
20 minutes. It's 20 minutes away. With the layover, we are now going to Shanghai Disney. It should be fun. That should help kill a little bit of time. We went for a nice little walk this morning, explored some markets. The area that we're in right now is pretty industrial, so there's not a lot going on. There's a lot of construction. That's about it.
I'm so excited.
We done did a thing.
We're not in yet, but I can see the castle.
We are in Cebu.
Yeah. When did we get here?
Got here 3:30 in the morning. It was an interesting venture over. But we're here now.
Have to fill you in on what happened yesterday. It was quite the adventure.
Pretty crazy. Johnny Eastern said, we're not able to get you on a flight today, which was the next day, because now they had put us up in a hotel, but that they were going to be able to get us on a flight the next day at 11 p.m. We went to Shanghai Disneyland, but when we got back to the hotel, people were like sort of frantically gathering their families and their belongings together from other people that were in the same situation as us that we had talked to from the day before. And we're like, hey, like what's going on? And they're like, oh, they let us know a half hour ago that they got us tickets, they called all the rooms, so everybody's just getting themselves together to come down so we can take a bus over. We were exhausted because we had just spent an entire day at Disney.
Yeah,
so we
thinking that we still, like, we would come home, like, have a full night's sleep, like, we wouldn't even be on the next flight till 11 p.m. the next day.
Basically 9:20, the flight was scheduled to leave at 11:10 or 11:20, under 2 hours to get everybody together, get on the bus, get over to the terminal, get in, get your bags checked, make it through security, get to the gate, and then get on the plane, which is just craziness. We get to the airport and there's a gigantic lineup.
Because all the flights into the Philippines had gotten canceled the day before, so people going to like Manila and elsewhere in the country, it was just like insanity.
Basically, they gave us some priority stickers to put on our shirts. We got our bags dropped off and we ran to security. Once we got to security, same thing, they put us in a priority line.
So I had to go through immigration and then through security. When we got through security, the lady, I guess, saw the little sticker that she had put on us, and whoever was waiting for us on the other side of the security line was like, go, 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 go. Our gate, rather, was like the furthest in the airport, so we had to literally run
down two escalators,
like around through this corridor. We get to the gate, they scan us, and we had to get on like a shuttle bus because we were the last people. And thank goodness some of the people that were part of our group whose flight had been canceled, who when they put us up at the same hotel and we all came over together, a few of them were able to make it, but there's definitely people that did not make it in time for them to close the gate. And the airline literally called us at the very last minute saying, come over now, we're sending over a shuttle bus to come pick you up. Somehow we made it on. It was like the amazing race. We were just running. We're here now. But that's our story of our canceled flight fiasco. How we ended up at Disneyland. And I think we're going to catch a bus to Moalboal. So we'll update you when that happens. See if we get there. I'm hopeful. This is our last day in Moalboal. Here's a look at the pool area at Moalboal Tropics. Got some little spin dolphins. It was nice. It was refreshing after a super long scooter ride. Had some lunch, and now I think we're setting off to head back to Cebu. We booked our flight to Boracay. Alright, so this is a view of the One Central Hotel, our bedroom for the night. You have a toilet here, a nice shower stall, closet doodad. It was a double room, so you got one double and one single. Little vanity here, which is quite nice. That is about one hot boyfriend. Yep. This is on the rooftop of the One Central Hotel. We got an infinity pool that looks out over the Cebu skyline and the ocean. Pretty cool. This hotel was only $50 a night.
$50.
Yeah.
Tax in, yeah.
Wow.
With breakfast.
With breakfast
was excellent.
Breakfast was really good as well. They offered a lot of different options.
And grandma's cooking as well. Had these little pork dishes, little chicken dishes, and they were done in crock pots. Excellent.
It's good after a long travel day. Welcome to our upgraded suite.
Hello.
We wanted to treat ourselves for these next 2 nights. We're on the island of Boracay, and they upgraded our room for us. So now we have this ginormous suite all ourselves. Look how beautiful. I think this is cool. It's an art easel for the two. Yes, I've never seen that before.
Oh yeah.
We have a view of the pool and our own private balcony. We have this sitting area. So this hotel is brand spanking new. I believe the soft opening was only about 4 months ago. And we have these giant doors that lead to a separate master bedroom. A little vanity area.
Hey!
Meow! I think Jake's favorite part is the bathroom.
Oh, we're breaking it.
Jake loves his bathtub. So we have like a 10-foot rainfall shower head. This is awesome. Totally unexpected. They just upgraded us.